The online appointment booking feature in Blueprint allows patients to book appointments directly from your website back into the Blueprint OMS calendar. Once configured and added to your website, patients can click the link and they'll be prompted to select if they're a current or new patient. They'll select an appointment type, select a location, and then select a day. They'll then be prompted to choose from available times. Once selected, they'll be asked to fill out a patient information section. This is looking for some basic patient contact information, such as a name, phone number, and email address. This information will pass back into Blueprint either as a quick add file, or it will link to a pre-existing patient file. Once they click Book Appointment, it will send them a confirmation email to the email address listed. Please feel free to reach out to us by phone or by email if you need more information about the online booking tool, or you're just trying to get some help setting it up in your system.